Guys, sugar cane fields beside Maranyon Road. This is the taxis of Sagay City. Look, so many taxis. You know what I mean? This tricycle here. I'm just walking around, man.